now. Okay, so we were on the third unit, okay, and that is reading and listening. In the third unit, we did linkages last time, and we did talk about cataphora and anaphora. I hope that concept is clear, and I did give you some exercise to practice. Okay, so now today we'll be talking more about barriers to listening, types of listeners, and we are going to talk about purpose of listening. All right, and then we'll be having some exercise on uh, articles, plus some exercises based on the root words, which can be used either as a verb and also as noun. Okay, so this is going to enhance our usage of words. Okay, sometimes those words can be used as noun. All right, so we should be aware of the fact that what are those words and how can they be used both the ways. All right, so I'm going to now share the presentation with you. Here it is. On the third unit, recognizing linguistic constituents. Okay, when I talk about this point, yeah, I think somebody wants to join. Let the person join on its own. Now, here, last time we also did an exercise on subject, verb, and correcting the sentence. I gave it to you as a homework. I told you that you please try to on your own. All right. So today, I'm going to. So sorry, one second. Huh? There is one more exercise that I wanted to give you. Yeah. Yeah, it's there. So moving ahead, the exercise is on articles, and here you will have to correct in the sense there is some mistake in the sentence related to articles only. All right, so we'll be talking about each and every sentence one by one. The first sentence is, the English is spoken by English all over the world. So there is a mistake as far as are concerned. There is a mistake here and you have to correct it. All right. So all of you, please sentence and tell me what is the mistake. You will have to unmute and answer because I cannot see the screen and I cannot see the chatting. If you are answering in the chat box, I am not able to read it right now because my screen is full with the PPT. Yeah, tell me. The first sentence is, the English is spoken by all over the world. So what do you think is
By
the
people,
mistake here? Pardon?
by people all over the world.
यहाँ पे you are saying by the world आएगा.
नहीं मैम, रॉन्ग है. इंग्लिश बाय के जो आ गया ना वो वाला, वो रॉन्ग है. उधर पीपल आएगा.
इसके बाद क्या आएगा?
इसके बाद पीपल.
अच्छा, you are saying we should cut this word and we should write people.
यस.
No, I'll tell you what is the problem here. I know you are trying to say that this word people is wrong, English word is wrong, but that is not the way. People who live in England, they are called English people. Okay, so they are called the English. Anybody who lives there is called English. They are originally from England. Okay. All right. Okay. Now the English is a subject or a language. It's a language. Right now we have to focus on particular people who are talking about speaking English. So we will be writing here, we'll be adding this word, I'll add in color. The correct answer will be, we'll remove this the, but here we'll have to put the here. So the people will not be added. The sentence articles means we have to only check whether a should be added or an should be added or the. So article means only these three correction we have to do. They will be added, these three, or they will be removed from the place. Okay. So if we have to do any exercise related to articles, we will not change the word as such. So here the will become English is spoken by the English all over the world. So the correct sentence will become, here we'll have to add the, and the is an article. So where is the added? The is added wherever we want to be specific. Wherever we want to be specific, or the is added when the something is talked about again, second time. When something is mentioned second time. Second time. All right. Iska example, I will be saying, this is an apple. This is an apple. Now, because I was talking about the apple for the first time, so added article an. But when I'm talking about apple, the apple is rotten. This is an apple is fresh, rotten, whatever. So now when I'm talking about the same apple, in the next sentence also, then I'm with writing the here, and otherwise apple should always have an article and thing with a vowel sound, right? So, but since it is being talked about second time, so we'll be talking the apple is fresh. An apple, the apple is fresh. And now I want to tell you a very important point. I don't know whether you have learned it in your school or not. Now there are two types of the. You'll say what I'm saying, ma'am. The are of two. One is pronounced the. The other one is pronounced the. The and the. Now the question is कहाँ पे हमको the डालना है और कहाँ पे the डालना है. This is very basic lesson. The हमको कहाँ डालना है whenever vowel sounds आते हैं. Okay. For example, the apple. Here we'll call the apple is fresh. Okay. Now here also English. English is spoken by the English all over the world. So यहाँ पे we'll be calling it the English, not the English. Now I'll give you an example. कहाँ पे the box the बोलना है. The man in red t-shirt, okay, is the watchman, for example. This is the sentence. So why we used first of we added the, because we are talking about a particular man who is wearing a red t-shirt. That is why the is added, but it is pronounced the, not the, because M is not a vowel sound. Here A was a vowel sound, so we said the. Okay, so there are two types of the or the in the vowels. Okay, ye yaad rakhna. So when you are talking, when you are reading, for example, the man is mortal. Okay, wherever, abhi yahan to there is nothing. You are reading also. Make it a point. Keep it in your mind. The kahan pe bolna hai, the kahan pe bolna hai. Because that will give you a very good impression. People will know that you know the language very well. You're not always saying the and you're not always saying the. Just distinguish that part and it will make a very good difference in your speech. I was talking ki where are the places where we are going to use the or they when something is specific, when something is second time, like here the apple was mentioned second, we said the apple is fresh because we already talked about the apple. Now, third point where we use the or the is all those unique things which are one of a kind. Like, for example, the moon, the sun, earth, okay? The earth and all the rivers' name, jitne bhi, the Ganges, the Yamuna, and whatever river, the Nile, नेम्स हैं. फिर जितने भी ओशंस के नाम हैं, जितने ओशंस हो जाएंगे, माउंटेन्स हो जाएंगे, द हिमालयाज, द एंडीज, द एंडीज. अभी यहाँ पे द हिमालयाज एंड द एंडीज याद रखना. द हिमालयाज, okay, the एंडीज, because the sound is vowel sound. All right, ये याद रख लेना. This is a small lecture on the articles which I thought you will knowing. Maybe you all know it, but it is just a recap or so I'm going to erase everything from here. Now read the sentence. Second sentence. French is a beautiful race. Now, since we are talking about the race as a whole, race, so here we are talking about French people. Now, when we are talking about particular people, just like here we said the English, so here also it will become the French is a beautiful race. We are talking about all the French people as a whole. Okay. Now read the third sentence. Please tell me. Whosoever can tell, please unmute yourself and tell me. He went to an USA last week. This one is very easy.
थर्ड में यूएसए से पहले एन की जगह द आएगा.
Very nice. So will not write you and USA. You will write the USA.
मैम
Yes.
दी आएगा ना.
Pardon?
दी आएगा ना. दी
दी नहीं
मैम.
द
आएगा.
हाँ, he went to the USA last week. So I just told you ना, the and the में अभी से differentiate करना सीख लो. Where you will pronounce it as the and where you will pronounce it as the. अभी आपने U बोला है यहाँ पे. U is not a vowel sound. USA. He went to the USA last week. Now we'll move on to the fourth question. The man. What is the meaning of mortal? जो लोग, people who die, like everybody that is born on earth will die one day, na? So we are all mortal. Something immortal which will remain forever. So here we are talking about a statement. Man is mortal. We are not talking about the man as a race. We are talking that it is a general statement. So we will not write the, we'll write man is mortal, or we is not is immortal. Man is not immortal. Now, fifth sentence. The secretary and poet are honored. What do you think is the mistake here in this sentence? Is there any mistake? And if at all there is any mistake, you have to point it out.
Ma'am, after and we have to put the.
Yes, after and you will have again put the poet. Okay? The secretary and the poet are honored. Very good. Next one. Moon is smaller than Earth. Is there any?
Earth. Moon is smaller than the Earth.
अब आपने बोला we have to add the. It's not the. Please अभी से याद कर लो इस बात को, because it is a vowel, so we'll not call it the. We'll call it the Earth. Now moon is also unique, no? So we'll add here also. ठीक है? The moon is smaller than the earth. The moon is smaller than the earth. अभी से इस बात को याद कर लो, कहाँ पे द बोलना है, कहाँ पे दी बोलना है. मैं अभी भी गलतियां करती हूँ. दो इट हैज बीन लॉन्ग टाइम बैक दैट आई लर्न दिस टेक्निक, 20 years बैक. उससे पहले मुझे नहीं पता था, तो आई यूज टू मर्जी से द एंड दी बोल देती थी. बट नाउ व्हेन आई नो इट, वेयर वी हैव टू से द एंड वेयर वी हैव टू से दी, at least we should try. Okay, next sentence. I will wait for you outside Taj. What is the mistake here as far as articles are concerned?
After outside, the will come.
Very nice. Because it's a building. Taj is a building and it is a unique building. No? So we'll write the Taj. In place of Taj, if there was any other, the Gateway of India or Minar or whatever. Okay. Or in case any other name of the hotel is there, we'll write the. Very good. Now, Gita is my favorite philosophical book which I read daily. Question number 8 is Gita my favorite philosophical book which I read daily.
The Gita is my
The
favorite
Gita.
philosophical book which
So what do we have to do here?
We have to write the before Gita.
Before?
Gita.
Very nice. Yes. Because all the holy books, they are unique. They are one of a kind. So whether it is Gita or the Bible, so we have to write the before all the holy books. The Quran, or the Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. We have to write the before all the holy books. Okay. Guru Granth Sahib. Okay. So we'll be writing even before the epics like the Ramayana, or the Mahabharata. Okay. So we'll be writing before all these books which are one of a kind. Okay. Next, water in that pool is very sweet. Water in that pool is very sweet.
The water in that pool is very sweet.
Yes. Why? Because we are talking about that particular water which is in that pool. Okay. Not all the water. Okay. So the water in that pool. We are here very specific about the water. Which water? The which is there in that pool. Now, question number 10. He is a boy who had won the award for honesty.
No changes, ma'am.
There will be, because the boy is very specific. Had one. We are talking about a particular boy, beta. So here a will not come, the will come. He is the boy. He is the boy who had won the award for, won the award, who has won an award. So there are two changes that we need to do in this sentence. He is the boy who had won an award for honesty. All right. Question number 11. Water is essential for all creatures on this.
the water is essential for all creature on this the earth.
Nay. Since right now we have put this demonstrative pronoun here, so we will not right now add here anything. The नहीं आएगा इसमें, ठीक है? On this earth. Okay. Now, इस sentence में
Water is
everything is
essential.
correct. There are no change. Pardon, beta? You were saying something?
Ma'am, after all, there will be the
For
for
all
the
the creatures. Yeah, you are right. Actually, we can add here all the creatures. Water is essential for all the creatures on this earth. Can add here. Very good. I was thinking there is no changes. There will be no change, but here I think we can add. We can also do without this the also. Okay, this the is not important, but if you add, it will not make any. It will not make the wrong. So we can add. Very good. Now question number. My mathematics is not strong. My mathematics is not strong.
My mathematics is not that strong.
That strong, nahi beta, that is not an article. Actually, the sentence is correct. Okay, we don't have to do anything here. Okay, because there's only strong आगे we cannot write. Mathematics के साथ आगे we have already used pronoun, so we are not going to do anything here. My mathematics is not strong. We'll move on to the next question. Raju's father went to his dash school to pay his fees. Now, in the blank, whether you want to put an article, a, and, the, or no article. So that means you can even put a cross. That means no articles will be used. In से कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. So Raju's father went to his a school to pay his fees, or an school to pay his fees, or the school went to his school to pay his fees. So here, anybody? No article. Given just to confuse you. And children will think, okay, teacher has given a blank, that means something has to be added. No, sometimes it is only to confuse you. You can also put a cross that no article will come here. Okay. Question number 14. All boys are sleeping now. So which article?
All the boys are sleeping now.
Very nice.
Ma'am, the.
Very nice. All the boys are sleeping now. Very good. Question number 15. Rose smells sweet, and there is a mark here. You have to be.
The rose smells sweet.
And the next one is also same, huh? You have to, but there is a full stop here. So tell me where you will put article, where you will not put article.
Ma'am,
A rose smells sweet. A rose smells sweet. Good. Here,
the.
the rose smells sweet. No. There will be no article here. Because this is a general statement that you are telling that the roses that they always smell sweet. So here you are asking, a rose smells sweet, but here it's a general statement. So we'll not put the rose, because rose is not that, जैसे the earth की जैसे unique नहीं है ना. there are many roses here. Okay, we'll not put the here. But if you're talking about the same rose again, there is a rose in the garden and the rose smells sweet. And then when we are talking about the same rose, then we'll put the article here. The rose smells sweet. He gave me a rose. The rose smells sweet, because now we are talking about the rose which was given to me by somebody. Okay. Now, I hope that is clear with you. Let's go to question number 17. He is second Newton of India.
मैम
अब अगर आप अ लगाओगे, he is a second Newton.
The, ma'am.
He is the second. I'll tell you.
Specific Newton.
Our ordinals are something which I'll tell you. Ordinals के साथ भी हमेशा the लगेगा. What are ordinals? When you say first, second, third, fourth, so these are called fifth, and so on and so forth. Okay, 10th, like this. So these are all called, they tell you the position. So इन सब के साथ हमेशा the लगेगा. ठीक है? The first, he is the third person in the row. He is the fourth Prime Minister of India. This is the 10th state which got corona, something like that. So whatever, these are called ordinals. So and in whenever you are facing ordinals, उसके पहले the लगेगा ही लगेगा. Okay. Now, he is dash Newton of India. This is to confuse you, because आपने यहाँ पे तो ordinal देखा तो लगाया भी, but अब यहाँ पे ordinal नहीं है, but still यहाँ पे the लगेगा. He is the Newton of India, because right now we are considering him as a title कि वो इंडिया का न्यूटन है. You getting my point? तो यहाँ पे भी लगेगा. He is the Newton of India. So ये छोटी छोटी एक्सरसाइजेस हैं, आपको एग्जाम में एक या दो तो आएगा ही आएगा जो है. इसके बाद there is one exercise which is very important, and that is some words which can be used as both account and account. Account is a noun. I have an account in Punjab and Maharashtra Bank. Okay, so there this account becomes a noun. You must how will you make a sentence where the account word is used as a verb? Tell me. I have an account is a noun. ठीक है? Give me an account is also a noun. Give me something, give me account. So that is also noun. But if you have to use it as a verb, what type of sentence will be there? So that the same word, account, anybody? Tell me, bacha. Nobody is able to understand this concept. There are so many words like this. ये तो छोटी सी लिस्ट है. And जो एग्जाम में आएगा वो नहीं होगा जो मैंने ऑलरेडी कराया है. So that means
I can't account for my friend's strange behavior in the party. Is it?
Can you come again?
I can't account for my friend's stranger behavior in that party.
Very well done. Very nice. So, very good. I like this. At least you attempted, and your attempt was right also. So can we move on to the next question? The next one is bear and bear. Most of the students or most of the people, they always confused with bear and bear. Most of them, they call this also as beer. No, beer is the liquor that people they drink. So इसका spelling BEER होता है. Whenever it is AR, it is bear. It is never beer. वो जो भालू होता है ना, उसको never you call it a beer. Call it a bear. Teddy bear, not teddy bear नहीं बोलना. Beer means this. Okay? So now, here bear means that bhalu, and here bear means to जैसे the way
Bear some,
हाँ,
someone.
to bear something.
Hmm.
Yes, I keep on telling ना, just give me some more time. You'll have to bear for one more second. ये आपको सहना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा और wait करना पड़ेगा. So that bear, ठीक है? Now this sentence can be made easily. I saw a bear in the zoo, and this means please bear with me. That lady had to bear so much in her life, है ना? So this bear means सहना. Count and count. Count and count. There is one more list after this, so I want to finish one list. The second list you will do on your own, because there's more of emphasis on self practice. I cannot be holding your hand each and every time. I have guided you till here. Now you have to carry on your journey on your own. Okay, this is a small list that we will be discussing here. But after that, there is one list. Please take a screenshot, and even don't stop at that. Don't stop at that. There are grammar books where you will find more words which can be used as noun, which can be used as verb. Explore as much as you can, because there is no limit. एग्जाम में क्या पूछेंगे, you will not know. ये जो लिस्ट में से है दिया, हो सकता नहीं होगा, right? So count and count, drive and drive. And सबसे बड़ी बात है, if I am going to help you, वो एक हद तक अच्छा रहेगा आपके लिए, but after that, self interest and self practice is the best way to take you further. ठीक है? Drive and drive. बहुत इजी है बेटा, थोड़ा सोचो. This count means?
Calculation.
This count means calculation. I counted the money. I counted the money. ठीक है? Or I counted. We have to count. Okay, so this means calculation. This count, the previous count means it's a noun. Yes. इसमें हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, the count of the people was not satisfactory. That means जो count था ना, total number was not satisfactory. The count, that means here something of the people. Count, that means number of people. The count was very high. You got it? Here I counted the money. I counted the number of entries. ठीक है? Now drive पे जाओ. Drive and drive. बहुत easy है. We went for a long drive yesterday. So that means it is a noun. We went for a long drive. So that drive is a noun. Now, he drives very fast. He drives very fast. So drives here becomes a verb. Got it? Engineer and engineer. My brother is an engineer. My brother is an engineer. Now, he engineered a machine. He engineered a beautiful machine. That means उसने उसको engineer किया, बनाया. Here engineer means verb. Okay. Fight and fight. We had a fight last night. That means we had a fight last night. ठीक है. Now here fight is a noun because we had something. अच्छा, एक बात याद रखना, जब भी आपको noun को clear करना है ना, तो you should replace the noun word with something. That means noun is a name of something, na? So my brother is something. He's engineer. We had something last night. What was that something? Fight. Now I fought with him. So you can also use the past tense of the words. Okay. When you are making verb, using it as a verb, you can also make a past tense. So the soldier fights on the battlefront, or we fight for our rights. So here fight is as used as a verb. Now ground and ground.
We are playing in a ground.
Very
First,
good.
very good. And the
We are
second-
playing in a ground. Very good. Next one, ground as a verb. Basically, when ground is used as a verb, you are trying to tell them that you have a solid foundation. We grounded them. We had.
He is a grounded too.
Hmm?
His nature is so grounded. It also right.
No, agar
No,
we are
agar
saying
we are
his
saying his
nature
nature
is grounded.
is grounded,
So that means
so that means
his
his
nature
nature
is
is
something.
something.
So
It
we can
becomes
use
becomes-
he grounded 2 second.
he grounded.
Grounded
2 second means better than.
I am not
I
able
am
to
not able to
understand.
understand.
Try and explain it more. Maybe I'll get it. Basically, when you want to give a reason, beta, ground is basically when you want to give a reason, justification. ठीक है? Now make a sentence. The grounded trucks were moved with the difficulties. Positioned, that means जो grounded थे, or anything you can say. Trucks की जगह you can also say I was grounded firmly. मैं अपनी position पे जमी हुई थी. ठीक है ना? I was grounded firmly. मैं वहां जिस जरूरी नहीं है यू वर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड देन यू हैव टू से ग्राउंडेड फर्मली. व्हेन आप अपनी किसी बात को रखते हो और अपनी बात से हटते नहीं हो, तो that means you will say I'm grounded. Yes, I'm sure this is right. I'm grounded firmly. So then it becomes a verb. ठीक है. Now higher and higher, there are two hires, higher and higher.
First meaning employee.
हाँ.
Uh,
No, second means to employ. Verb, because कुछ करना. Verbs are always actions, no? Verbs are always action. So the company hired him as a CEO. So hired him. That means verb.
first meaning as a noun means rent. Hire a room. Hire a bedroom.
No, उसमें भी hire a room. That means you are doing some action. These are all action verbs. So hire as a noun. What should be the only one student is answering, others please participate. No, let it be a group discussion. कोई बात नहीं. Come on. Yes.
Ma'am, the first one noun meaning I was told you hire means like hire something, a bedroom or a car. So
नहीं बेटा. देखो, I'll tell you. Hire a room, hire a bed, hire a taxi. So all these are noun. Now, अगर इसी word को हमको उसको use करना है as a noun, so the company has new hires. The company has new hires. That means उसने बहुत सारे new employees रखे हैं. Now, अगर यहाँ पे the company hired, यहाँ पे इसी sentence को हम लोग ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, the company hired him as CEO. The company hired him. That means company ने कुछ action किया. You getting my point? यहाँ पे कुछ action हुआ है. Now the company has new hires. That means company has new something. What is that new something? New recruitments. ठीक है. यहाँ पे hires का मतलब हो गया new recruitments. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Now this अगर if I keep on doing one second. There is one more list here. So that is the reason I don't want to spend more time here. There is you can take a Xerox. Sorry. I'm sorry. Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you?
Yes.
Okay. So please use them. Have you made a notebook as I told you? So उसमें इसको लिखना शुरू करो. If you want for practice, if you want more words, I can WhatsApp it to you because it will become more, you will be able to get more understanding. These are the things which are learned when you are in 7th, 8th or 9th grade. So I'm not going to take more time on this because there is so much of, I have taken 2-3 lectures extra from Amreen ma'am. That's why my previous lectures were having, 2 classes back to back. But if with this speed, I won't be able to finish my syllabus. There's so much more needed. It's already 10:50. So अभी ये कर लिया ना आपने इसको. So I'm just winding up today's class because the other topic which I wanted to take up was timings, and the other topic which I've left today is purpose of listening and all. So we'll take it on Saturday, and I'll again ask Amreen ma'am to give me one extra lecture. Okay? Because I keep on going in details, and I feel that if you don't know this, there's no point of going ahead. And promise me that you will work on your own also. पिछला होमवर्क किया आपने, मुझे किसी ने भेजा? You all have my number, but none of you have sent me. You don't have to work for marks, beta. In this pandemic, nobody is interested in seeing the marks because anybody can do the cheating and get the marks. That's not a problem, but the real thing is to learn. I feel there should be learning which is real, not for marks. Okay? You will feel elated when you will see now, yeah, I know it. I have not cheated. I can do on my own. Even if I don't know, I've learned. That's more important. Okay? So I'm ending this show. And that's all for today's class, huh? Take care. Bye-bye. And do a lot of practice.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. You too have a good day.
Good day.
Bye.